Did you know that a tiny tablespoon of chia seeds could transform your health in more ways than you imagined? These little black and white seeds may look unassuming, but they pack a nutritional punch so powerful that they've been hailed as one of the healthiest foods on the planet. Whether it's improving digestion, boosting energy, or supporting heart health, chia seeds are a true superfood. In this video, we'll reveal 10 eye-opening things that happen to your body when you consume just 1 tablespoon of chia seeds daily. But before you add chia seeds to your routine, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have dietary restrictions or medical conditions. And here's the best part. Stay tuned until the end of this video, where we'll share a simple, delicious recipe to make chia seeds a seamless addition to your diet. Now let's start. 1. Improves digestive health. When it comes to digestive health, chia seeds are an unsung hero. Just 1 tablespoon of these tiny seeds works wonders for your gut. Chia seeds are loaded with soluble fiber, and when the seeds come into contact with water, they swell up and form a gel-like structure. This gel moves through your digestive system slowly, creating a soothing, lubricating effect on your gut lining. It helps regulate the pace of digestion, ensuring food is broken down efficiently and nutrients are absorbed more effectively. For someone dealing with irregular bowel movements, this slower digestion promotes consistency and ease, making your gut function more harmoniously. Another key component in chia seeds is their mucilage, a type of plant compound that adds to their gel-forming property. This unique feature acts almost like a natural cleanser for your intestines. As it moves through your gut, it helps sweep away waste and toxins that might otherwise linger and cause discomfort or bloating. Think of it as a gentle scrub for your digestive system, leaving it refreshed and primed for better performance. A study on Science Direct examined the effects of chia mucilage concentrations on gastrointestinal viscosity and gut microbiota. Results showed that chia mucilage influenced early digestion viscosity and promoted the growth of specific beneficial gut bacteria, highlighting its potential microbiome benefits. 2. Supports cardiovascular function. When it comes to keeping your heart healthy, even 1 tablespoon of chia seeds packs a serious punch. Chia seeds are naturally high in potassium, a mineral that's vital for maintaining healthy blood pressure. Potassium acts as a counterbalance to sodium in your body. When you consume too much sodium, your blood vessels may constrict, leading to higher blood pressure. Potassium helps relax those vessels, improving circulation and reducing strain on the heart. It's like giving your blood flow a smoother, less resistant pathway to travel through, keeping your cardiovascular system more efficient and less stressed. However, chia seeds are a great source of magnesium, an essential mineral that plays a central role in heart rhythm and muscle function. Your heart is, after all, a muscle that beats non-stop, and magnesium ensures it does so efficiently. It regulates electrical impulses in the heart, preventing irregular heartbeats and ensuring a steady, healthy rhythm. Magnesium also works in tandem with potassium to prevent calcification in arteries, keeping them flexible and free of blockages. According to a study published on PubMed, researchers investigated the effects of chia seed consumption on 42 adults with type 2 diabetes mellitus. Over the course of 12 weeks, participants in the experimental group consumed 40 grams of chia seeds daily. The findings revealed a notable outcome. Those who incorporated chia seeds into their diet experienced a significant decrease in systolic blood pressure compared to the control group. This suggests that chia seeds may play a beneficial role in managing cardiovascular health for individuals with type 2 diabetes. 3. Stabilizes blood sugar levels. Just 1 tablespoon of chia seeds a day has a surprisingly powerful effect on stabilizing blood sugar levels. Let's start with the incredible ability of chia seeds to form a gel-like substance when mixed with liquid. This happens because of a polysaccharide called soluble fiber. Once ingested, this gel slows the digestion of carbohydrates, which are the main source of sugar in your bloodstream. Instead of your body absorbing sugar all at once, creating a rapid spike, the gel acts like a time-release mechanism, dripping glucose into your bloodstream at a steady pace. This helps prevent the sudden insulin surges that may lead to fatigue or long-term insulin resistance, which is a precursor to type 2 diabetes. Additionally, chia seeds are rich in magnesium, a mineral that has a direct impact on blood sugar regulation. Magnesium supports the function of insulin, the hormone that allows sugar to enter your cells and be used for energy. Without enough magnesium, your cells may become less responsive to insulin, leading to elevated blood sugar levels. Chia seeds provide a natural, easily absorbed source of magnesium, which enhances insulin sensitivity and helps your body maintain healthy glucose metabolism. A ResearchGate study found that black and white chia seeds significantly improved fasting blood glucose, lipid profiles, and liver function in diabetic rats, showcasing their potential health benefits. 4. Boosts bone density. Just 1 tablespoon a day provides a concentrated dose of nutrients that work together to enhance bone strength and prevent issues like fragility or fractures. Chia seeds are an exceptional source of phosphorus, a mineral that doesn't get as much attention as calcium but is just as essential for your bones. Phosphorus is a structural component of bone mineralization, working alongside calcium to build the hard matrix that gives bones their strength. Without sufficient phosphorus, bones may become weak and brittle over time, no matter how much calcium you consume. Chia seeds provide a natural, plant-based source of phosphorus that is easily absorbed, ensuring your bones get the raw materials they need to stay strong. The next important component in chia seeds is boron, a trace mineral often overlooked in discussions about bone health. Boron plays a vital role in how your body metabolizes calcium, magnesium, and vitamin D, all essential nutrients for maintaining bone density. Essentially, boron acts as a helper, making sure these nutrients are used efficiently to strengthen your bones. For example, boron helps activate vitamin D, which in turn improves calcium absorption in your intestines. Without boron, much of the calcium you consume could go to waste. Including chia seeds in your diet gives you a steady source of this often underappreciated mineral. Along with that, chia seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid (ALA), which have a surprising impact on bone density. While omega-3s are typically associated with heart health, they also have anti-inflammatory properties that protect bones from deterioration caused by chronic inflammation. Inflammatory conditions may weaken bone tissue over time, reducing density and increasing the risk of fractures. The omega-3s in chia seeds help maintain an environment in the body that supports healthy bone regeneration and minimizes the breakdown of bone cells. A 13-month animal study published on PubMed revealed that a diet containing 10% chia seeds significantly improved bone mineral content in the tibia, along with positive effects on bone density, musculoskeletal weight, and overall body weight. 5. Enhances skin hydration and elasticity. One standout component in chia seeds is their high content of polyunsaturated fats, specifically omega-6 fatty acids like linoleic acid. Linoleic acid is a key player in maintaining your skin's natural barrier, which locks in moisture and protects against environmental damage. A strong lipid barrier prevents water from evaporating through your skin, keeping it hydrated and plump. Without enough linoleic acid, the barrier may weaken, leading to dryness, flakiness, and reduced elasticity. By nourishing your skin cells with these essential fats, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds helps restore balance and moisture at a cellular level. Another hidden gem in chia seeds is their selenium content. Selenium is a trace mineral with powerful antioxidant properties, and it plays a crucial role in protecting your skin from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules generated by UV rays, pollution, and stress that break down collagen and elastin, the proteins responsible for skin's firmness and elasticity. By neutralizing these harmful molecules, selenium in chia seeds helps preserve the structural proteins in your skin, reducing signs of aging like sagging or fine lines. Chia seeds are also a surprising source of water-attracting compounds called hydrophilic polysaccharides. These natural molecules are incredibly effective at binding water, which supports your skin's ability to retain hydration. Once consumed, these polysaccharides enhance your body's hydration status, directly benefiting your skin by delivering moisture from within. Proper hydration plumps up skin cells, smoothing out rough texture and improving elasticity, giving your skin that healthy, dewy look. A PubMed study investigated chia seed peptides for anti-aging skincare and found they effectively inhibited elastase and tyrosinase, enzymes linked to skin aging. These peptides may protect the skin's protein matrix, suggesting potential use in cosmeceuticals. 6. Supports weight management. A single tablespoon a day packs in nutrients and natural mechanisms that work with your body to support healthy weight regulation without feeling restrictive. Chia seeds contain an exceptional amount of insoluble fiber, which plays a key role in controlling hunger and promoting a sense of fullness. When you consume chia seeds, the insoluble fiber absorbs water in your stomach, expanding into a gel-like consistency. This process creates a physical sensation of fullness, signaling your brain that you've eaten enough, and helping you naturally reduce calorie intake. Unlike quick-digesting foods that leave you hungry shortly after eating, the fiber in chia seeds ensures that digestion is slower and more sustained, keeping hunger at bay for longer. Another unique element in chia seeds is their concentration of tryptophan, an amino acid that not only supports mood but also helps regulate appetite. Tryptophan influences the production of serotonin, a hormone that contributes to feelings of satisfaction after eating. When your serotonin levels are balanced, you're less likely to crave unhealthy, high-calorie snacks or overeat, as your brain registers that your body is nourished. This natural appetite regulation makes chia seeds a helpful ally in maintaining a healthy relationship with food. Furthermore, chia seeds are rich in manganese, a mineral essential for fat and carbohydrate metabolism. Manganese activates enzymes that break down fats and carbohydrates into usable energy, ensuring that your body efficiently processes what you consume, rather than storing excess calories as fat. Additionally, by promoting balanced blood sugar levels, manganese helps stabilize energy throughout the day, reducing the likelihood of energy crashes that often lead to overeating or poor food choices. A 6-month PubMed study involving 77 individuals with overweight or obesity and type 2 diabetes found that participants consuming chia seeds daily, alongside a reduced calorie diet, achieved significantly greater weight loss compared to those taking a placebo. 7. Boosts energy and endurance. The Aztec warriors and long-distance runners of the past used these tiny chia seeds as a reliable energy source, and the science behind their effectiveness still holds true today. Just 1 tablespoon of chia seeds a day may provide your body with the sustained energy and stamina it needs. One of the key elements behind this energy boost is the carbohydrates found in chia seeds. primarily in the form of slow-digesting fiber. Unlike